Hey everybody, I want to go over some Forex trades with you guys. I mentioned to you in probably the last 5-6 videos that I'm going to be doing everything live. It is about 8:30, about 8:40 here on Pacific Standard Time in the US here. So it's kind of late, but I want to make sure I can get these trades out to you. First, I want to update you on the USD JPY trade. You know, it did not go in our favor, but that's totally fine. The reason why it's okay is because we're only risking 1%. So I'm going to give you guys an update, fully keep everything transparent with where we're at here. And one that's still open, so this is one for NZD-CHF that you guys saw in the last video, so I'm still feeling good about that. This has actually gone in our favor since the last video I did, so I actually really like that trade. I think we'll do pretty good on that. The account, this one was a loss of 1%, so 1% of the balances did go down from 1,100 down to 190, and that was because it was a very risky trade. I did try to get, I was following the same pattern as you guys can see right here on this red. Basically this, see this little red like arrow down, that was where the short trade was placed. I basically went in, used the same process as a green line below the red line, waited for a bearish candle down, and then stop loss at previous structure high, and this did get stopped out on this candle as you can see right here. Did not expect this to head back up as quickly as it did because we had honestly guys like five double tops, like 5 tops in a row. If you guys look at this as a daily candle, and I'm gonna go through this quickly because I have 2 great setups I want to show you guys here, so you guys can start getting on these if you want to start trading along. But really quick, this is what I was looking at: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, basically 5 double tops up here. And if you guys are still playing the short from up here down below, I still think that's going to be a great position. I'm not currently holding at the moment because I'm trying to rebound off this trade, because I'm trying to look at some other trade setups, and also because I see this here. Basically, if this starts moving back up for the system that we're using, this could have a pretty good move up here again. So if I do short, I just want to be consistent with the system because it's worked incredibly well. And you guys can see still the win to loss ratio on here is incredible. How well we've been able to win a lot of these. So let's get right into the trades. Okay, so they are EUR-JPY. So I'm going to go to EUR-JPY. So EUR-JPY right here. Take a look at this in the daily. We have a green background, so it shows us this is a great place for uptrends or long trades to occur. And we are seeing right now that the green line is moving above the red line coming from the bottom. Plus, this has been red here, which is expected to turn green, especially for an uptrend. So I feel comfortable about this trade. We can also see that we are in an ascending channel. We have a touch, 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 touch. This is due for a bounce back up. All of the lines here are above, literally like right here, every single line is above this orange river right here, which gives me confirmation this is a high, a low, a high, a higher low, right at previous structure high, which is a perfect uptrend pattern. So this is why I think we will start heading up here and seeing really good breaks. I'm also looking at this right here. I anticipate this to be breaking, but you can see when this breaks down, which this is somewhat of a bull flag, if you want to actually draw this in here like this. If you guys want to draw the bull flag like that, and then let's go one here to go like this from here to here. This is a bull flag ready to break out to the top. So that's another reason why. So let's just get in here and place this trade, and I just want to come in here and show you exactly what I'm looking at. But again, using stochastic trends and the momentum lines, looking for movements up, and I think this is going to be a great one. So we'll go ahead and come in here, and I just want to make sure I have the stop loss set the right place. Yeah, this is a good place. Just want to make sure it's not, it can still go down a little bit, but we're seeing it move up. Okay, so let's come in here, and this is all we're going to do. We're going to go sell right here, and we're going to move this guy over, and we're going to go stop loss, take profit, price, price, and then double click this right here. And always copy and paste this over, guys. Never try to look at the price and then copy it over, because that's how you can make some pretty big mistakes very fast. Okay, sorry, I did this backwards. Let's go in here. Make sure you do this too. Make sure you guys are watching if your price is right. So profit level, we're gonna do this right here. So we actually have this backwards. And we're gonna do, I'm so sorry guys, I did a short. Let's go in along here. You guys are like, what's he doing? Okay, so it's coming here, and for the take profit, we're gonna put this down at the bottom. So this is going to be price and price, take profit, and then this is going to be the stop loss level is going to be right here. And what's nice about TradingView is it won't actually let you place a trade unless you actually enter them incorrectly, so that's really nice. And then always only 1% risk on this, so I like how this looks. And we are going to do a buy, just quickly check here for stop loss 130, 179, 298, 134, perfect, risking 1%. All right, cool, let's buy. So we'll place that, you'll probably hear it come through. Oh, sorry, you know, actually I have my volume completely muted. Whoa, take a look at that. What's going on there? Looks like it just doubled up a lot of times. Let's take a look down here. Through pretty easily. Yep, there we go. So this is already placed with EUR JPY. That's looking good. And now let's just come back in here and let's go to the next one. So the next one I'm looking at, guys, is EURCAD. So let's go to EURCAD, which is that guy right there. And again, I'm looking at a long position on here. Now, why am I looking at this? You guys are like, well, there's a red background here. There is a red background, but remember when this orange line is flat like this, I look for double bottoms and double tops. So this is why I think we will actually start up here a little bit and possibly come up to this upward descent channel top, is because we've got a touch here, touch, 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 and looking to move back up. But like I mentioned, when the orange line is flat and you're seeing double bottoms with confirmation of green candles up, this is a very good sign that you can keep seeing the price head up over time because of this indecisiveness of the orange line being flat. If you guys have been following for a while, you guys totally understand that, because this is another double top we played here. You can see I did a short on this, and it was an incredible short because it was flat. A top, top, confirmation, we drop. Bottom, bottom, confirmation, move up, going long. So that's why I'm doing that. So let's come in here and do a buy, and then we're going to drag this guy over here, and then make sure we click stop loss, and then go to price, risk, and then come over here and make sure you guys double click this, and I'm always just copying and pasting all these. So profit level, so take profit, we're just going to go paste, and then double click this guy again, and then stop loss level is copy, and stop loss is going to be paste, and this is going to be 1%. So erase all of it, just click 1%, and then come in here, and we're going to do buy. That's it. You guys will probably hear it come through this time because the volume is on. There we go. Alright, so that's a buy. Apparently it's logging a lot of stuff here. Maybe it's just, it's probably what it's doing for trading good tonight. So there you guys go. There's 2 trades there. We'll see how these go. I'll keep you guys updated on this. I think these are going to work out pretty well in our favor. There's a lot of, obviously there's a lot of pairs, a lot of trade setups out there, but I feel like these are the best ones I could find. I just spent a good amount of time just going through all the charts and reading the analysis and looking at all. So I feel is a good update for you for good long trades and obviously one short trade. I'll show you guys that one right here because this is the one I was calling. I actually called Friday evening is when I came out with a video for this one for you guys. And so this was obviously a short here. I shorted this twice, so I already shorted this already, made about 1%, which is what helped us get to the 10% goal within 30 days. We did that within 5 days. We're down to 9%, which is totally fine in my opinion. We got a bunch of time, and I'm gonna try to shoot for 15% this month. That will actually, 15% is what the biggest hedge funds in the world do within 1 year, and I'm gonna try to do it within 30 days. And that's my goal for us, and I'll keep you guys updated, and you guys will see all the profits live. If we start dipping back down, that's just what's going to happen. There are days where I'm going to lose, there are days where I'm going to win. But over strategy, I'm using these the indicators that I'm using. I need to drink more water, I'm talking too much. The indicators I'm using are really going to help you guys out and help identify the great long and short positions. And that's the stochastic trend down here, and then the Martin trend meter, and then the momentum lines, long and short zones, and support and resistance lines. And that's what I'm using on every single one of these videos to show you guys how I'm taking these trades, and obviously and showing you on the video when I do take them so you guys can follow along if you would like. So there you guys go. That's a full update of where we're at and the 2 trades we just took. So we'll see what that looks like in the morning. And if I cut any of these profits early, I'll let you guys know. What I mean early is before they take profit. I'll let you guys know. But without that, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. I'll update you on this and also on cryptocurrency and BTC. Have a great day. Get these indicators, link in the description, and I'll see you guys later. Alrighty, bye-bye.